Hi guys, Kati Curtis here. I'm going to give you some tips to make making your bed fun and easy at home. Then I just smooth everything out, cats or no cats. Simple, easy. So I like to break things up with either a quilt or a coverlet, and it's also super practical when it's summer or it's too hot or the duvet might be too much for you. So I like to layer the quilt or coverlet really from about 1/2 or 2/3 down the bed. This breaks up the visual monotony, adds some interest, and is also practical. Next, I like to stack the actual pillows that we sleep on every night. You can use varying thicknesses, varying colors of pillowcases. I like to mix and match. Next, I like to add Euro pillows. And I love Euro pillows because I like to work in bed sometimes with my laptop, or if you like to read in bed, you can stack the Euro pillows on top of your regular pillows, especially if you have an upholstered headboard, for some extra neck support. Next is decorative pillows, and I like to add 3 decorative pillows to add some asymmetry to this very symmetrical layout we have going on. And I like to kind of mix up the decorative pillows. This is actually a vintage Chinese textile pillow, and these are also these incredible embroidered vintage pillows. And you can just kind of put these really in any way. They don't have to be super tight or perfectly structured. You can kind of throw them around like so. And there you have it, a perfectly made bed.